Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn to knit this easy and beautiful 2 rows repeat pattern. This is only 2 rows repeat pattern, and you can use this pattern in your both gents and ladies sweater, cardigan, hat. Wrong side looks like this. So this is only 2 rows repeat pattern, and you need to cast in multiples of 4 plus 3 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. This pattern is made of 4 stitch, so 3 plus 1 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 and then 3 extra stitch here and 2 edge stitch on both sides. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 17 stitches on my needle, which is 4 plus 4 plus 4, 3 times 4 12, 3 extra stitch 15 and 2 edge stitch 17. So row 1 right side I have already done my border here. You can knit any border you like, and after you finish your border, now we're going to start the repeat pattern from here. So for repeat pattern, your edge stitch knit through the back loop and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 3 1 2 3, purl 3 and knit 1 through the knit 1 below, right? Knit 1 below. Insert your right hand needle here, not here, here. Knit 1 below. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 3 1 2 3 and knit 1 below. Again, purl 3 1 2 3 and knit 1 below. Purl 3 1 2 3 and knit 1 below. And we have done here all repeats, and after you finish all repeats for a last 4 stitch, 3 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch, purl 3 1 2 3 edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side. For row 2 wrong side, your edge stitch slip on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. Knit 3 1 2 3, knit 3 and purl 1. Again, knit 3 1 2 3 and purl 1. Knit 3 1 2 3, purl 1. And last 4 stitch, knit 3 1 2 3 edge stitch and in front slip on the wrong side. So that's the repeat. We have done 2 repeats here, 2 rows here. This is the repeat pattern, and now we're going to repeat these 2 rows, row 1 and row 2, over and over again until you reach your desired length. I'm going to repeat this repeat pattern one more time. So this is row 1, your edge stitch knit through the back loop and start the repeat. Purl 3 1 2 3, purl 3 and knit 1 below, knit 1 below. That's the repeat. Purl 3 and knit 1 below. Again, purl 3 1 2 3, knit 1 below. Purl 3 1 2 3 and knit 1 below. Purl 3, last 4 stitch, purl 3 1 2 3 edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side, edge stitch slip on the wrong side and start the repeat. Knit 3 1 2 3 and purl 1. That's the repeat. Knit 3 and purl 1. Again, knit 3 1 2 3, purl 1. Knit 3 1 2 3 and purl 1. And last 4 stitch, knit 3 1 2 3 edge stitch and in front and slip on the wrong side. So that's the repeat. We have done 2 repeats here. See, Repeat these 2 rows, row 1 and row 2, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.